this is my new video. This time I'm gonna give the GKS build. So let's go. I'm gonna give it after the match, the GKS build. So stay tuned for that. Why, bro? Bro, no. What? That guy's trying for getting that eagle, I think. This guy crazy. What is he doing? Psycho. No, I want some other gun. Such a hacker. Got vehicle so fast. No, I don't have ammo. Help. Oh no. Thanks. Thanks, teammate. Love you. Oh, okay. Yes, I got my GKS, but no prank. Bro, is this guy crazy? Why are they using the G? Bro, are you crazy? Like, I'm done. Oh, that guy is literally so low. I had to shoot him one bullet, I think. Bro, this GKS build. Bro, the hipfire. Are you serious? Psych. No. We're so close. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give the build now, and after that, I'm gonna give the stats. Bro, what that guy called it is that? Okay, guys, stay tuned for the GK's build and this one. What do you say? Oh, the stats of that. Yes, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna give the build after that the stats and so this is the build. So this is the build for my GKS. After that, I should go for a training, I think. Yeah. Try. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Yeah. I literally popped off that match. Got nuking some 20 kills also didn't happen in that match. My whole team didn't do 20 kills. Fully in the whole. My blue team only didn't have 20 kills. So I'm gonna show this one. First the recoil control from here. Normal damage is 28. 28, 28, 28. Keep in mind 28. 28 in 10 meters also. First I need to even show the recoil control. So this is the recoil control. Recoil control. I'll do without controlling. This is the recoil without controlling, and this is with controlling. Okay, of that 28 and 10 meters also. Yeah. 28 and 20 meters also, and the recoil You can see it here. After that, 30. Now it's dropping 23. And the recall also is, no, I can't control this far. Not that good in recall control. This is the recoil that I got in 30 meters and 40 will see the damage. 19, 19, 19. You at least need like some 19, meaning you need uh, 5 shots to kill, 5 or 6 shots, and 28 meaning you need 2 to 40. You need approx for 5 or 4 shots. If you're lucky, if you give a headshot, you'll get like some. If you hit all 3, that's very difficult. You'll get 3 shot kill. If you hit one headshot, if you hit one head and 2 shots, you'll get the whole kill. Like from 3 shots, 1. So I prefer one headshot and like some 2 shots in the body, so you can get a 3 shot kill. If you're not that accurate with your bullets, just shoot on the body. You're gonna get like 4 or 5 shot kills. So okay guys, this is gonna be it for the video. Like, share, subscribe, comment down what build you need. I'm gonna make it for you.